G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
Snorlax
from Pokemon. All right, let's do it.
Woo.
All right, let's start off with Snorlax's mouth. So at the top here of your page, you want to do like a little mound like that. Cool. And then either corner of that lines, just do some upside down V's or a triangle without a base. So it kind of looks like the top of a cat's head. All right. Meow. And then over here, you want to come up slightly and just do a curve on one side here for one of his eyes and the other eye. And obviously his eyes are shut like this. He's just sleeping. Very good, Phoenix. Now, what we want to do, we're going to do the outline of his face first. So not the top of his head, but his outline. So you want to go in the middle of this here and sort of come up to there. Yep, and we're going to do the same over here, like that. Beautiful.
Angry.
Looks a bit angry, doesn't he? He's sleeping angrily. Now, you want to come up to here and you want to curve around like that on that side. Yep, and then you're going to do the same over here. So up and around to there. Oh, mine's a little bit skew with, all good, doesn't matter. Now, what we want to do is we want to draw the top of his head around here. So we're going to start around here and go all the way to there. Cool, good job. Now we're going to do Snorlax's ears. So I'm going to do one ear to there, and you want to go in like that. And then you want to do another triangle over here and into there, like so. There you go. There. Oh, good job, Phoenix. Awesome. We're going to do is the patch of his belly, I think, to start with. So don't worry if it doesn't meet with these lines yet. We'll just get them connected later. But let's go from about here, go around, and then you want to curve up like that for one side. Yep. And then you want to keep continuing that, go down, around. And this is going to look like one of those eye masks that you would wear to bed. There. So imagine that could be an eye mask you wear to bed, or it could be a jelly bean or a potato.
Looks a bit
That's cool. That's
Boof.
awesome. A bit poof.
Boof.
Now let's connect his head into his stomach. So, you know, take your time, get those lines just curving in. Yep. Cool. That's cool. That's awesome. That's awesome. Now let's do some lines down here for the part of his body. So come here. What about there? Yep. And then we come on the other side, do the same thing. Into there. Okay. Next step is we're going to draw Snorlax's feet either side here. Now we're not going to do full circles because he's got obviously his toes. So let's try starting around here and doing the circle to about there. There you go. There. Good job. Now at the part of the circle here, you want to do like a triangle. Give the triangle some curves for his toes. Yep. And then you want to imagine the imaginary line of that circle going underneath that toe and going like that, just for a little bit, all right? And then we're going to do another triangle here. Oh, his toe. Yep, you got it. How are you going? Beautiful. Good job. Now the next part is you want to imagine the imaginary line of that circle going underneath the toe into there, and you stop a little bit. And again, we do another triangle. Like that, okay? Awesome work, Phoenix. Now, as Phoenix has done there, like you can just bring that line into there of his stomach, okay? And here, we're just gonna do a circle for the heel of his foot, or the sole of his foot, I guess you could say. Now, we're gonna do that on the other side. What you wanna do, you wanna start around here. Remember, it's not a full circle. Just about there. Yep, cool. And then you want to go up, down, curve at the bottom. The toe, imagine an imaginary line going underneath the toe, complete the circle to that point there. Up, down, curve. So it's like an up, down ice cream cone or a triangle. And on this side here, because I've done a little bit of a funky move, I'm just going to do my triangle like that. Okay. Yep, and then we want to draw the circle at the bottom here.
And connect the thing.
And connect his body to his foot. While we're here, we might as well connect the body at the bottom. So you just want to draw a line that goes like that. So from foot to foot. So that's his body. And now next we're just going to do Snorlax's arms. Start a line that goes around like that and goes into this toe here. All the way in, Phoenix. Yep, that's it. And now we're going to do his fingers. So it's just a bunch of triangles. 2, 1, 2. We'll do 5. 3, 4, 5. Like that. Good job. And then obviously over here, we're going to put one over here. So same thing. Down into a toe. Or if you can have the foot, the toe, doesn't matter. And then again, 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. Cool. And guess what? That is Snorlax. That is the outline for Snorlax. So Phoenix, what is the next step?
Color in.
We're going to color in Snorlax. So we'll see you on the other side, guys.
Ooh.
All right, there we go, guys. We colored in. What do you think, Phoenix?
Ooh.
Awesome. We did Snorlax. We colored in Snorlax. He's always snoring and he's relaxing. Is that why it's called Snorlax?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
I think so.
You think so? Maybe, possibly.
Possibly.
You've drawn a Pokeball, I see. What Pokeball is that?
Ultra Ball?
Ultra Ball. Ooh. He's a really cool Pokemon. I like him. He's really awesome. Anyway, guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
Phoenix. And today on the show, we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. All right, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Cool. All right, pens, paper.
Bang,
Boom, boom, boom,
bang,
boom.
boom.
All right, so Snorlax is going to be sleeping. What else does he do?
Eat.
Does he actually fight?
He eats and then
Has he actually
doesn't.
fought in a Pokemon battle?
He does fight.
Okay. I'm yet to see an episode. All right. Cool.
That was loud.